stretch eternity. You can never tell where their influence stops. A very good morning to all of you, esteemed principal, respected teachers and their students. Today, we gather here to bid farewell to an exceptional teacher, mentor and guide, our dear Divya ma'am, who without a doubt has been an integral part of our school. As she sets off on this new journey, we feel happy for her, though it's also a bit tough to say goodbye. First, I invite the students of class 12 to distribute the flowers as a token of love.
To be here today. Although we are excited for today marks a bittersweet moment as we bid farewell.
A warm welcome to each and everyone present here. I'm Sindhu.
Life of a teacher. See its effects. We need to focus on the years before the teacher came and after the teacher went from that school. Indeed,
And standing before you with a mixed emotions and being transferred to Kendriya Vidyalaya Patta. As I move to the new place, you should enjoy it at the same time work for your goal. All the best, my dear children, especially board classes 10th and 12th children. All the best. Thank you all. Thank you, KVLO. Thank you.
Teachers and my dear friends, today we gather here to bid farewell to an exceptional teacher, mentor and guide, our dear Saraswat, who has left an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. To begin our journey down the memory lane, we
Thank you for your dedication, your wisdom, and your unwavering belief in our potential. While we are sad to see you leave, sir, we are also excited for the students who will have the privilege of learning from you next. On behalf of all the students, I want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We wish you all the best in your new journey and may continue to inspire and touch lives as you have done here. Your presence will be greatly missed, sir, but your impact will be never to our esteemed teacher, Sanan sir, but to express our gratitude for the profound impact seeing goes. If you teach a man to fish, he will feed himself for a lifetime.
Humans can never be realized. During the beginning phase of the series,
Teacher told me that give some experience, tell about the experience that I had with Salam sir for the last 1 year.
tokens of love.
नमस्कार आप सभी को। सर, मैं आज आपके लिए फूल तो नहीं लाया, पर अपने दिल की भावनाओं को शब्दों में पिरोने की कोशिश की है। आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है। वे आते हैं देर से पर जाते हैं जल्दी, है वह ज्ञान के भंडार, है कुछ बात अलग रूप में। किताबें तो सब पढ़ाते, पर जीवन की किताब बहुत कम लोग पढ़ाते। उनमें से एक है मैं। लगता है किसी को नहीं जानते, पर है सबको अच्छे से पहचानते। पढ़ाते हैं अंग्रेजी, पर जानते हैं अनेक भाषाएं। जब तक थे साथ तब तक कुछ पता ना चला, अब जब जा रहे हैं तब पता चल रहा है। अब आपको रोक तो नहीं सकते, पर आपकी कई बातों को रुकने नहीं देंगे। हम रुकने नहीं देंगे, हम रुकने नहीं देंगे। धन्यवाद सर।
Along with us in all our programs, I need not elaborate that one, but you have seen it. He was definitely in the last 5 years, he was here as an integral part of the Vidyalaya.
And all the staff members. It is indeed a moment which makes us to think what next, what to be done. Every day, whether assembly has to be scheduled or not, starting from that point, a reverse planning for the whole academic year has been done systematically for at least around 6 years before.
Well, sir, Suresh sir, my dear learned colleagues and dear students. Now, transferring in and transferring out is part of KV life, and you must have seen many people coming and going. Even I also had the opportunity of being posted to many schools. I am very happy when I was posted here, because it was closer to my home and many of my problems could be looked into. Now God has other choices, accepting it may be for a better thing. But I enjoyed my stay here because I had wonderful colleagues, lively, caring and cooperative people, some of the finest teachers in Sangagan. And coming to the school was really a pleasure because I was able to work under very good principals. Honestly, in this school I got some of the best principals. Now principals have said I was working because if the head is good, if your supervisor is able to instill confidence in you, you will be able to work. And that happened here. And Rakesh sir was very special and very supportive. Even now in my difficult time, I was able to stand strongly here. It's only because of the support that principal sir gave me. Thank you very much sir for that wonderful support. And another great colleague is Suresh sir. A strong backbone for me at any time of difficulty. Even now, his support is the one which keeps me standing bold.
Time goes by quickly when you're having a good time. And sir, under your guidance, we've had the best time. And for time well spent, departures are celebrated more than arrivals. Thank you, sir, for being the guiding light in our personal and academic pursuits. We wish you all the best in all your endeavors. Thank you.